Hello and welcome. Turning a passion for youth development into a thriving summer camp is an exciting journey. In this guide, we are going to break down the essential steps to move from a simple concept to a fully operational, successful summer camp that makes a lasting impact on your community. Starting a summer camp is more than just fun and games. It requires strategic planning and sound financial management to ensure long-term success. Having a clear roadmap is crucial, from choosing your camp model to setting a sustainable budget and streamlining your operations to deliver a high-quality experience for every camper. First, you must decide which type of camp fits your vision. Day camps are logistically easier and cater to local parents, while overnight camps offer an immersive experience that builds deep community ties but requires lodging and 24/7 supervision. You might also consider specialty camps, which focus on specific skills like STEM or performing arts and can often justify higher enrollment fees. Choosing a strong theme is essential for setting your program apart. Sports camps develop discipline and teamwork, while STEM programs foster critical thinking through coding and robotics. Arts and craft sessions provide an outlet for self-expression, and adventure camps offer physical challenges like hiking that build resilience in a natural setting. Your activities must match your audience. For ages 4 to 6, focus on creative play and storytelling with hands-on supervision. Elementary kids 7 to 10 thrive on structured games and simple experiments. Pre-teens 11 to 14 enjoy complex team challenges, while teens 15 to 17 are often best engaged through junior counselor roles and leadership opportunities. Establishing a legal structure is a critical step for liability protection and funding. An LLC is a popular choice to separate personal assets from business risks. Alternatively, forming a nonprofit allows you to access educational grants and community sponsorships that aren't available to for-profit businesses. Compliance ensures your camp's longevity. You must secure business and health permits early, especially if you're providing food or medical services. Protecting your business requires general liability insurance for accidents, workers' compensation for your staff, and camper medical insurance to handle any emergency medical expenses for participants. Your location dictates your activities and budget. Parks are affordable but weather-dependent, while schools offer existing safety standards and infrastructure like cafeterias and gyms. Community centers are often centrally located with lower fees, whereas private campgrounds are built specifically for camp life but come with higher rental costs. A solid budget is the backbone of your camp. Staffing is typically your largest expense, often consuming 50% to 60% of your total budget. Factor in facility rentals, supplies, and marketing, and always set aside a 10 to 15% contingency fund to handle unexpected seasonal costs or emergency needs. Your team creates the camper experience. Hiring must be rigorous, involving mandatory criminal background and reference checks to ensure safety. Once on board, provide comprehensive training that covers emergency preparedness, child behavior management, and inclusivity to ensure every staff member is ready for opening day. Safety is a top priority for parents and operators alike. Implement strict check-in and pickup policies to prevent unauthorized dismissals and maintain high hygiene standards with daily sanitation of equipment. Always keep a certified medical professional on site and maintain a detailed allergy list for every camper. A balanced schedule keeps campers energized. Use the morning for high-energy adventures and sports when energy is highest. Middays should shift to educational or creative workshops, while afternoons are best for relaxed reflection and free play. For overnight camps, evenings are the perfect time for social bonding through campfire stories and talent shows. To manage these moving parts efficiently, you need the right technology. Jumbula automates the entire process, from online registration and secure payments to attendance tracking and email campaigns. Visit jumbula.com today to start your 14-day free trial with no credit card required and take the stress out of your camp management.